today's stitch tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make this solid shell stitch or solid scallop stitch. It actually, I found that this one actually has two names for it. So I think you're going to love this. It's just beautiful. All right, let's go ahead and get started. I'm just using a medium 4-weight yarn for my sample and a 4.5 millimeter crochet hook. If you're new to crocheting, you may want to use the recommended hook size that's on the yarn band. Okay, so to start off, you're going to need a chain, a multiple of 6. And so let's start with a slip knot. Let's wrap the yarn around your finger, just like this. Pull the yarn off your finger, take your working yarn, pull it through, make a loop. Insert your hook in that loop and pull to tighten. And now you've got a slip knot. Okay, so let's start with a multiple of 6. So you're going to chain 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Now let's go ahead and do another 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Let's go ahead and do one more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Now we've got 3 sets of multiple of 6. Let's go ahead and add 2 at the end. 1 and 2. So it's a multiple of 6 plus 2. Okay, so now we're going to work 1 single crochet in the second chain from the hook. So there's your first chain, here's your second chain. 1 single crochet in the second chain from the hook. So there's a single crochet. Now we're going to skip the next 2 chains. There's 1, 2. So in this third chain, we're going to put 5 double crochets. Yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. You just made a double crochet. Yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Now you got 2 double crochets. We need 3 more double crochets in this same chain space. Okay, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4. One more. There we go. Okay, so now we're going to skip the next 2 chains. That's 1, 2, and in this third chain, we're going to make a single crochet. Just insert your hook, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Now you just made your single crochet. Okay, so now we're going to repeat this across. So skip the next 2 chains, and in the third chain, put 5 double crochets. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Skip the next 2 chains. There's 1, 2, and in the third chain we're going to make a single crochet. Skip the next 2 chains. We're going to make 5 double crochets. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now we're going to skip the next 2 chains, and in the last chain we're going to make a single crochet. Okay, so now you have row 1. So for row 2, we're going to chain 3, which counts as a double crochet. 1, 2, and 3, and turn our work. 2 double crochet in this first single crochet right there. So there's 1 and 2. Now we're going to single crochet in the center double crochet of this scallop right here, or of this shell stitch. So a single crochet, in that third stitch, or you can say third double crochet, the center of your scallop, the center of your shell. Now 5 double crochet in your next single crochet. One, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Keep wanting to grab that there. Single crochet in the next, in the middle, or the third double crochet. 1, 2, 3, or in the center of your scallop or your shell. A single crochet. Now 5 double crochets in your next single crochet stitch. Can you see the pattern starting? 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now a single crochet in the center shell stitch or the third double crochet. 1, 2, 3. Single crochet. Now 3 double crochets in this last single crochet. One, 2, and 3. Okay, so now you finished row 2, 1 and 2. So at the end of row 2, you're going to chain 1 and turn your work. Okay, so for row 3, we're going to work 1 single crochet in the first double crochet. So 1 single crochet, 5 double crochet in the next single crochet, which will be right here. 5 double crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now a single crochet in the third double crochet here, or your center of your shell. 5 double crochet in the next single crochet. This 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. A single crochet in the third double crochet. 1, 2, 3, or your center stitch of your shell. 5 double crochet in the next single crochet. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, 1 single crochet at the top of this turn-in chain. Okay, rows, we just finished row 3. So rows 2 and 3 are going to be your repeat rows. So let me show you one more time. I'll go a little bit faster on this, but just to remind you how it works. Row 2 is you chain 3, 1, 2, 3, turn your work, 2 double crochets in the first single crochet, 1 and 2, single crochet in the third double crochet, 5 double crochet in the single crochet, a single crochet in the third double crochet, 5 double crochets in the single crochet, a single crochet in the third double crochet, 3 double crochets in the single crochet, okay, so that was your repeat row 2. Repeat row 3 is you will chain 1 and you will single crochet in this first double crochet, 5 double crochets in this next single crochet right here. Oops, I didn't finish that out. Okay, 5 double crochets in the single crochet, single crochet in the third double crochet, 5 double crochets in the single crochet, single crochet in the third double crochet, 5 double crochets in the single crochet, a single crochet in the top of your turning chain. And that was row 3. And that's all you got to do, folks, is just keep repeating rows 2 and 3. And that is how you do the solid shell or scallop stitch. All right, guys, hope you enjoy this. Have fun. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe.